Before buying a laser projector, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, HAPPRUN Mini Projector. Let's kick things off with the HAPPRUN Native 1080p Bluetooth Mini Projector. Priced around $126, this portable projector caught my eye for its compact design and budget-friendly price point. If you want a lightweight option for outdoor movie nights or cozy home viewing, this is worth a serious look. It's lightweight, so you can easily set it up anywhere, and it connects via Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or standard HDMI, making it super flexible. Plus, the built-in hi-fi stereo speakers mean you won't need to lug around extra sound equipment, which is a huge win for convenience. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Imagine hosting a movie night under the stars. With this projector's 1080p resolution, you can enjoy vibrant visuals that really pop. It's compatible with popular streaming devices, so you can dive straight into your favorite shows without the hassle of extra cords. However, some users pointed out that it struggles in bright environments. Here's the thing though, if you're mainly using it indoors or at night, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable projector for casual use. Skip this one if you need something for large, bright spaces that require high brightness. Overall, it's a fantastic value for the price. Now, if the HAPPRUN's brightness bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. The HAPPRUN 4K Smart Projector. Product number 2, HAPPRUN 4K Smart Projector. Next up, we have the HAPPRUN 1500 ANSI official licensed Google TV Smart Projector, priced at about $543.92. It's on the higher end, but what caught my attention was the built-in Google TV functionality. If you want a theater experience without the extra devices, this one is worth considering. It's also equipped with Dolby Audio, so you're not just watching, you're experiencing. Imagine having the ability to stream Netflix, Hulu, and more directly from the device, meaning you can skip those extra streaming sticks. Plus, with the autofocus feature, setting it up is a breeze. Here's why this matters for you. The combination of 4K support and 1500 ANSI lumens means you're going to see sharp details and vibrant colors, making movie nights feel cinematic. However, a few users complained about the initial setup taking longer than expected. But honestly, once you get through that, the payoff is absolutely worth it. This is perfect for tech-savvy users who want a smart projector with high-quality visuals. Skip this one if you prefer something more straightforward without additional smart features. For what it offers, the value is solid. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for outdoor movie magic. The HAPPRUN 2500 ANSI Lumens Outdoor Projector. Product number 3, HAPPRUN Outdoor Projector. Now let's talk about the HAPPRUN 2500 ANSI Lumens Outdoor Projector, coming in at around $569.20. This one really caught my eye because of its brightness level. If you're looking for something to use outdoors, this is worth a serious look. With an impressive 2500 ANSI lumens, you won't have to worry about it getting washed out in daylight. Plus, it supports 4K decoding, which means you can connect your 4K devices and still enjoy stunning images. Imagine hosting backyard movie nights where everyone can clearly see the screen, even in the evening light. It also comes with built-in streaming apps, so you're ready to go right out of the box. Here's why this matters for you. The high brightness is a game changer for outdoor usage, and the Dolby Audio speakers provide deep sound that fills the space. Some users did mention that it's a bit bulky to carry around. Here's the thing, for that brightness and quality, it's a small price to pay for an amazing outdoor experience. This is perfect for those who love outdoor movie nights or hosting events. Skip this if you need something ultra-portable for travel. The investment is definitely justified with the features it offers. Next, if the bulkiness of the HAPPRUN bothered you, check out the Oking Outdoor Movie Projector. Product number 4, Oking Outdoor Projector. Let's move to the Oking 4K projector, which retails for around $227.68. This projector is a great mid-range option that caught my attention due to its smart features. If you're after a balance between quality and price, this one is worth a serious look. The O King boasts 2500 ANSI brightness, which means you're getting incredible visuals, even in less than ideal lighting. It also features a fast TOF autofocus, meaning you can set it up and start watching without fussing with adjustments. Plus, with its built-in apps like Netflix and YouTube, it's all in one package. Here's why this matters. You can set up the projector quickly for impromptu movie nights, and the high brightness ensures everyone gets a great view. However, some reviews noted that the sound quality wasn't as robust as some higher-end models. But honestly, for the price, it's still a solid choice for casual use. This is perfect for family movie nights or casual gatherings. Skip this if you're an audiophile looking for top-notch sound quality. It's a good deal for what you get. Now, if the sound quality of the O King didn't impress you, you might want to consider the NUTROMO 4K decoding projector. Product number 5, NUTROMO 4K decoding projector. Finally, we have the NUTROMO 4K decoding projector, priced at about $252.98. This projector stood out for its dust-proof design and built-in apps. If you want something rugged and reliable for both indoor and outdoor use, this one's definitely worth a look. It also comes with Dolby Audio, so you're getting a cinematic experience right at home or in your backyard. The added benefit of a built-in 120-inch screen makes it super convenient for outdoor setups. Here's why this matters. The dust-proof design is a huge plus for outdoor enthusiasts, ensuring durability regardless of your environment. However, some users felt the brightness was still lacking during peak daylight. Here's the thing, if you're primarily using it for evening events or indoors, it's more than sufficient. This is perfect for anyone who values durability and convenience in a projector. Skip this if you need something ultra-bright for daytime use. For the features you get, it's a great option at this price point. To wrap things up, we covered 5 great laser projectors. The HAPPRUN Mini Projector is perfect for budget-friendly options. The HAPPRUN 4K Smart Projector shines with built-in smart features. The HAPPRUN Outdoor Projector is a powerhouse for outdoor fun. The O King is a solid mid-range pick, and the NUTROMO offers durability and convenience. Each has its strengths depending on your needs, so choose wisely for your next movie night.